And we're back.
Heading further. Oh.
Okay. So we and Jens sat down for breakfast there at both Noodles.
Oh yes.
This is Jens's new sunglasses, by the way.
So this is a small portion, you said?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
It's like you can eat more than one.
Yeah. Here is my Nakhon.
And here is Jens.
This was egg noodles.
Wow, nice.
So exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Delicious. Very nice. I have the different noodles, egg noodles.
Yes, this was egg noodles. Delicious. Kip nam
What? Nakhon?
fan. Nakhon. Det var bra.
Husker du hvordan du ber om kjekk da?
Keftang.
Ja.
Var det bra?
Ja. Alright, heading further north.
Just found a real-life transformer in Thailand. Oh no, Thorstein, what happened to your bike?
Wow, I had to upgrade.
What? They did not say anything about this. The salaries.
The nutcracker has grown bigger.
Oh no. Okay, how to get further?
I guess we walk.
Maybe.
For lunch today, me and Jens have bought raw tea. And it's delicious, sweet.
Yeah, very nice.
10 baht.
Morning. Hey.
Okay, so me and Jens found this beautiful big Buddha statue.
Oh, yes.
And it's hot.
Very hot.
And you have parked in the sun, and I am in the shadow.
You're a smart man. Oh. So now we have been tricked by Siri a couple of times.
Yeah, we've been getting a little bit annoyed with her.
Yeah, she chose the fastest route and that leads us to the motor road.
Yeah, the highway.
Highway, yes.
And then we tried to change it, so like add additional stops, but still she's bringing us back to the highway.
Yes.
It happened twice.
But now we have pushed her. So now I think she has rearranged her route.
She better understand her or get another AI. That's better.
Yeah.
Alright.
Then we have to use Joe.
Joe. See the rice field all around. Even have some beautiful trees.
Satan så gött det var. And we made it.
Hello.
Where are we now?
Nakhon, Sato, I think.
Nakhon Sato.
Yes, you just need to check in quick before Nakhon.
Yes, Thorstein has 1% left. And we're here at the PA Place Hotel. So we have checked into the PA Place Hotel.
Oh yes.
And here you can see Thorstein have find itself comfortable?
I just need a beer now, like in Vietnam.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm so hot and tired. And my bike almost died. Or it actually died, and we were stuck in the middle of the road for like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 minutes or so. And then we had some Thai people help us, but then it came back to life.
Yeah, when at the moment he
Yeah, when the help
got help.
Yeah.
To us, yeah.
And we got free Coca-Cola. Now Pepsi.
Yeah.
Even better.
Oh yes. And they did not want any tips or anything, just kindness.
Very kind people out in the country.
Yeah. But it was a temple school there.
Yeah.
So it makes sense.
Yeah, this is the temple school.
Yeah,
That we stopped by, and then it wouldn't start.
yeah.
Was very stressed out, but worked.
Anyways, here is our room, aircon of course, and actually a big fridge here, very nice. How is the toilet? Yeah, it's okay. And it's clean.
Yeah.
So no mosquitoes this night. Let's get some food.
Yes.
All right.
Jigs.
The jigs. Yeah. Okay, so on our way to Chiang Mai, we have stopped in Nakhon, Sawan, and now we have found this nice restaurant where we're gonna have our evening food, and it looks just how we like it.
It's like a shop house, I think, where they have a restaurant down and they live in the second floor.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be nice to relax a little bit. We're very tired from today. We drove far too much and then we had the motor trouble.
Yeah.
So maybe tomorrow we will relax a little bit more and we can make this video for you.
Yeah, today we have driven for almost 7 hours. So you can really feel it in the everything. We have received our food.
So good.
Looks delicious.
I've been so hungry too. It's extra good. But it's classic Thai noodles. So good. And some chili and the good stuff, you know.
Very nice. And yours is more thick than
I like the thick noodles.
I have. Yeah, okay.
This is, yeah. We're practicing with plastic chopsticks. How is it?
It's very good.
Time to add some more chili and eat.
Today we have only been eating 7-Eleven food.
No, we had no, not at all.
Yeah, no.
We haven't even tasted 7-Eleven food actually. We had bread for breakfast. We had noodles for lunch and roti for a snack.
Yeah. We have only had 7-Eleven beverages.
That's not true either. We had water from...
Yeah, I know. Please. So yeah, you will never see this, no? Yes, and we also have found a bit of a hack when driving. That's we buy whole bread and keep in the hotel room, and also some meat and cheese, and then just smash together a sandwich when we have no time and want to start driving. Oh, okay, so I just finished all the noodles and vegetables, but the best part is left, the broth. Here is the master chef of our noodles this evening. Very nice. So if you're in this place, you can check up, yeah, you can see how it looks like. But we definitely recommend it.